distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I stand on existing protocol. My job here this afternoon is simple, is to speak about Empower program, which is one of the components of the national... Can all the Empower volunteers here stand up? So if you're an Empower volunteer here, shout Empower! Empower! Serious business, serious investment, right? Thank you very much. Can we sit down? It's a 2-year employability enhancement program that really helps them to improve on what we call the learning after school. Then apply the learning to work, and then you also do entrepreneurship. In Edo State specifically, in the first batch, we had 4,800 volunteers that were posted to Edo State, and just outside we met 3 of them, Romanos, Oladipo, and Elogosa, and many of them you've also met in the hall. These are the examples of the ethos of Empower. Romanus and Oladipo, both of them are in the NRGROW program, and one of the things we speak about the Empower program is that you've got to get your entrepreneurship even as you start. We've encouraged them to save their stipends and employ your stipends in other things that would create your independence. In addition to that, they all have a tablet. If you have your tablet here, wave your tablets. Thank you. That tablet there is loaded with enough content for their learning, not only for the subject matter that they learn, but also for entrepreneurship and for personal development. And such is what Romanos and Oladipo has exhibited here today. Being part of the NRGROW team, they went into personal investment and personal learning around cocoa plantation, and they are doing that now in ADP. Elogosa Jane has actually invested her money, though she's in the NTEACH program, invested her money in beads, bead making, bag making from Ankara, and what have you. And we have so many of such stories around the room, but like my colleague earlier said, we won't have time to take personal testimonies. In addition to the graduate program, we have the non-graduate program. And Your Excellency, sir, you have a podium that will be going back with you to Abuja that was made courtesy of the Empower Carpentry graduates. All the non-graduate program Empower here. If you are here, can you, let's see you. The non-graduate program, no, stand up, let's see you. Let the camera see you at least from the back. In this batch 1, Edo got 245 trainees who were trained across the construction and the automobile training. It's also worthy of note that we pay each and every one of them, those in the graduate program, we pay them 30,000 a month, and I'm happy to announce here that since we started, Edo State has garnered 1.8 billion of this direct investment in the economy of this state through each of the stipends that have gone to these volunteers. Those in the non-graduate program, they get a 10,000 stipend, but in addition to that, they also got exit tools that are tools for their various trades, even as they are now in their various forms of 9-month apprenticeship. I think my last point to note is that the batch 2 program, this is a promise of 500,000. We have deployed 200,000. There's a balance of 300,000, and of that 300,000, Edo has pre-selected 8,700 volunteers that will be added to this pool in the next few weeks. I think on that note, I would say on behalf of the volunteers, I would want to say a big thank you to Mr. President and Mr. Vice President. I send regards and thank you on their behalf. Thank you very much.